I don't know what it's gonna be. I'm just going with the flow. I don't have nothing planned. This skin tape thing, they give you this when you have like surgeries and stuff to kind of seal the wound. I'm pretty sure you can get it at like Walgreens, or if anything you could purchase it off Amazon. I'm starting off with the Huda Beauty palette Rose Gold Edition. This brush right here, this is the Morphe B81 brush, and it's just a little fluffy brush just like that. And I'm starting off with sandalwood. I'm just taking this kind of just to set everywhere. Oh, Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm going in with Slow Burn. I'm going in next with Urban. I'm just taking this in the crease, but a little bit under where I did the previous color. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M224 brush. I'm taking the lightest shade in my Graftobian Warm palette. And I'm just going to cut the crease a little bit. You want to look straight when you do this. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see what I mean. The Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm going in with Thrash, and this is on a wet and wild brush. It's a wet and wild brush. Towards the end, I'm going in with Chaos. This is on a wet brush. The same wet brush, but I did it on the other side. I take a clean, fluffy brush. This is how they're looking so far. I'm taking Urban Decay tonic. This is gonna go on my inner corner and on my lower lash line just a little bit. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. As crazy as this seems, y'all don't gotta do this. I'm gonna go in with Freak. This to kind of blend the blue and green together like that. And then I'm gonna also take this shade I haven't done concealer yet or nothing, but I'm just going with it. Okay, 16 alcohol. Black liner. This one's from Wet n Wild. Could have sworn I had other ones, but I can't find them, honestly. I still have somewhat no idea where this look is going. And I'm taking this on the Morphe B81. Take a big fluffy brush, Bay from the Rose Gold Huda Beauty palette, and I'm taking that on the Morphe B81, and you're just kind of diffusing out the edge a little bit. I'm going with some more product. Now, as you can see, that's a lot more blended compared to this side, and you could see the difference. These are the Emma from Miss A. The reason they look like that, I know y'all all saw the hack on Facebook, whatever it was, with someone taking a spoolie to some lashes, making them look luscious, voluminous, like nude lashes. Okay, that's what your bitch tried to do, and guess what? That shouldn't work. New Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. Honestly, look, I'll let you guys make the decision. I personally don't like it. I think there's mascaras out there that are cheaper than this, that do the same thing or even something way better.